Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you a new tool that has been developed by Google Sheet that is called as convert to table. So how exactly that works, I will show you. I will give you 2 to 3 examples. Okay, let's go to the Google Sheets. Okay, and just create a new sheet. Okay, so the first example on the right hand side you can see start with pre-built tables. Okay, I will come over to that. What is the pre-built tables are? But before that, I will show you what if I have a simple data that has been shown in tabular format, like for example serial number, okay, name, and okay, first name, first first name and last name. Simple. Let's suppose you have a simple data. Okay, one, then let's say Saurabh myself. Okay, then two, user, two, three, user, three, four, user, four. Okay, let's say you have simple things. So what you do, a traditional way, you go over here, you can make it bold. Okay, you increase the size, and you do background color. Okay, for example, background color something to look fancy, to look good, something like that. So instead of doing all this customization, Google Sheet has created a new thing which is called convert to table. You just have to click on right click on the table and just click on convert to table. You see how nice it has been done instead of doing all those things. Okay, you already have, and you can sort, you can filter. Okay, you can do all these things like sort by A to Z. It's already sorting. Means otherwise what we have to do is we have to go and apply all those things to the table. Instead it is predefined. Okay, you can create a group view. Okay, just click on here, you can see you can create a group view. Okay, then what we say, filter, you can create a filter. Okay, sort by and everything, and you can search it over here. Okay, means a lot of things has been predefined. Okay, you can change the, what we say, you can view options. You can one second, there is an option here, adjust the table range. You can rename the table, you can format the table, you can change the header of the table as per your need. Okay, now this is what if you have a data ready and you want to convert to it. Okay, now if I click on the new sheet, okay, now see, you can see multiple things. If you don't have this option over here, let's close this. What you have to go, you have to click on insert and you can click on table. Now this is blank table which we have shown on the previous sheet. This is a blank table. Okay, now this is event table. Now assume that you are managing events in your company or for your personal reasons, whatever. So you don't have to create a lot of things. It is totally predefined. For example, if an event is started or not started, if progress is blocked, is complete, whatever things are there, if you want to add more information into it, you can simply click on edit. You can add those information, you can change the color, you can delete, you can add another item, you can allow multiple selections. As good as that, as easy as that. Same goes with here. You have a date selections. Okay, you can take a notes, everything. You can simply click on add things, click on adding columns, everything. Now another table format that is very interesting is, let me go insert and table. You can see project task. So this is also really important, project task. A lot of people still manage a lot of people still manage all the project related things to the Google Sheet. And this is the recruitment application. If you are into a company where you manage all the recruitment process, if you're not using any software, if you're still relying on the Google Sheet, this is the one of the best tool. Okay, you can simply go here and you can do a lot of things. Means it's really easy, it's really nice. A lot of things are predefined. You can go and explore the things. Do let me know if you want a particular type of the table in more details, or even in more details how the things are worked. Just let me know in the comments and I will create a video for you in detail, example in detail, customization, where and what customization we can do. So hope you like this new tool, and new enhancement from Google Sheet. And if you like, just like and share and subscribe and share with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.